Oh, well, hi. So, it's in the afternoon. Everybody's hungry. What do we got? Well, the fact is that I have changed my cooking style, mainly because I have more time on my hands now, thanks to a lot of changes in life. Yeah, maybe I'll tell you about them someday. But we got some good food. So let's take a look. It's going to be kind of hard to show you. This tablet has odd angles about it. See, look, here I am. Ooh. Yeah, this is going to take some getting used to. But here's this. Take a look. Oh, yeah. Um, Now that looked a little interesting. That's slow roasted eggplant and roasted tomatoes. About half an hour each at 250 degrees. Or pardon me, 450 degrees. We're going to add a little oil, a little vinegar, little basil, a little mozzarella, and serve it with some toasted bread. Yeah, I'm kind of surprised. I've been finding a lot of good things you can do with salads. If you've got vegetables, cheese, and bread, you got a meal. So that's us tonight. Like I said, the eggplant I peeled, sliced, quartered, and roasted for about 20 minutes. The tomatoes are cherry tomatoes. Little oil, little salt, about 20 minutes in the oven too, again at 450. So yeah, that's 40 minutes alone right there. Let it cool, that's a while too, and then just throw some dressing on it. So that's it. Yeah, my cooking style has changed. We are doing a lot of slower food, and that's it. This is social media. Please be good social citizens and subscribe, like, share, and all of that good stuff. Thank you and goodbye.